gonna go over real quick. Here's some things I picked up over the last week. The first three I got at the Acorn Antique Show out at the Golden Spike Fairgrounds. Got a really nice pair of clinching tongs here. Got a pair of bolt tongs here. Size is 3/8. And I got a pair of box tongs, but they're broken, but I can fix those ones, and same price on that. Today I went to an estate sale, and this stack cost me $10. First one here. See, it's clogged here with gunk. Pull this out. It's clogged there. We'll clean this up. It should look cool just to sit. Got a box. This is kind of cool. You can put some sockets in there or find something else. Got a Ford buzz coil, trembler coil, whatever you want to call them, but again, we use these for the hit and miss engines we got. Picked up a broached out implement tool here. That's just for a wall hanger. Pretty good size dividers here. I haven't even played with them. See, there you go. They're all freed up. I didn't see a name on them at all. They'll just go in my machinist box. Then I picked up a turn screw. Could be a Marples. I couldn't see any marks on them. But we'll clean this up too and see what we got. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good week.